Take your website from looking like this to this with just 3 simple steps. Responsiveness is a crucial topic in front-end development because what's the point of a great-looking website if it does not look great on all devices? To make your website responsive, you just need to follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Ditch fixed pixels. Stop using pixels for everything and start using responsive CSS units like VW, VH, percent, EM, and RAM. These units scale with the screen, allowing your layout to adapt to different devices. Need a deeper explanation? I made a video explaining CSS units. You can check it out by clicking the card that appears on your screen or check out the link in the description below. Step 2. Stop using the img tag alone. Instead, use more flexible tags like the picture or even the video tag when needed. These tags allows you to define display sizes for different screen width. Not sure how they work, just follow this syntax. The picture tag takes in 2 or more source elements and just one img element. The source element displays the image in the src set if the device meets the condition in the media, but if none of the conditions are met, the browser automatically displays the image in the img tag. Still confused? Let's take a look at a real example. In this example, we have 2 source tags. The first source tag is checking if the device has a minimum width of 800 pixels. That is, if the device is 800 pixels or more, it displays the big image. While the second source tag checks if the device has a width between 500 pixels and 799 pixels. If the device meets this condition, it displays the medium image. But if the device is less than 500 pixels, which means none of the conditions in the 2 source tags are met, the browser will automatically fall back to the image in the img tag, which is the small image. But here is a part you have to remember. The order of the sources matter. The browser reads the source elements from top to bottom and picks the first one that matches. Let's say we flip the order of the sources around. Now, even if the device is 800 pixels, the medium image will still be displayed because 800 pixels is definitely greater than 500 pixels. And the first source says if the device has a minimum width of 500 pixels, which means 500 pixels and more, and 800 pixels definitely falls in that range, so that condition is met. Therefore, the medium image will be displayed. And if you follow this example, the big image will never be displayed because the first conditions will always be met for any device greater than 500 pixels. So you have to be careful when writing your source elements. Put the most specific or the largest screen size first. Step 3. Master media queries. There's no such thing as too many media queries. Okay, maybe don't overdo it, but seriously, media queries are your best friends when it comes to responsiveness. You can use them to adjust layout, resize text, and even hide or show elements based on screen sizes. Let's take a look at its basic syntax. Pretty straightforward, right? Now let's see it in action. In this example, the media query has a condition of max width 800 pixels, which means the CSS in this media query would only run if the device has a width of 800 pixels or lower. So on last screen, the items in the container will be laid out in a row. But once the device has a width of 800 pixels or smaller, the items will take a column layout, which is perfect for mobile screens. You can target different screen sizes, resolution, or even orientation using media queries. So get comfortable with them, know how to use media queries well, and you'll be able to get your website looking more responsive. And once again, welcome to Tech with Deeyah. Let's build smarter, not harder.